So now that I've been doing YouTube, I'm learning about things being a content creator, about the different rules or different things you should follow and things like that. So one of the things they teach you is that it's important that you don't wait for everything, for the video to be like perfect before you post it. They tell you to just get the content out there. So when you make a video, you make it, and then don't worry about every little thing being perfect. Just get it out there, post it. Like, there's people out there that need to hear what you're saying. And I was wasting a lot of time trying to make the videos just perfect. And something wasn't just quite right. Now I gotta go refilm the whole video. I was wasting so much time. And then I started thinking, you know what? That kind of reminds me of how back in the day when I had the gym, I would, get these people that would want to train, but they weren't ready to train yet. They weren't quite, they didn't have the time quite yet. They were waiting for their schedule to be perfect, or they were waiting until they had more time. So they would say things like, well, let me wait till I get through the holidays. And then the beginning of January would come, and then they would say, well, it's the first of the year, we're really busy at work, let me get through January. And then before you knew it, it's I'm checking in to see if they're ready to get going, and it's spring break. Like, well, we've got spring break coming up, we're going on a trip, so let's wait till after spring break. And then before you know it, like, it's like summer already, and then they're like, oh, well, now the kids are home for summer. So and so the point is that there is never going to be a perfect time to work out. Just like when I'm trying to post these videos, there's never going to be a perfect video. Just post it. Just get it out there. Get the information out. Like, that's what I want to say to people with their workouts. If you are waiting for the perfect time or until you have more time, that's really never going to happen. Because when are you ever going to not be busy? When are you ever really going to slow down? Like, people really don't slow down. If anything, they just get more and more things put onto their plate that they have to do. Don't worry about everything being perfect or you having just the amount of time. And, people think that a workout has to be 1 hour. That's nonsense. Your workout doesn't have to be an hour long. I've done workouts before that are like 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 12 minutes. I mean, you can get any kind of workout in, just get something in. If you look at my channel, I have a lot of different workouts that are not very long. Some of my workouts are like 12 minutes. Like, some of the best workouts I ever did in my life were when I was getting ready for shows and I didn't have a lot of time. Like, I had so much stuff to do, and I had all this meal prep for contests, and I had to do posing, and I had to do all this cardio, and so then when it came to my actual workouts, some of my best ones were the ones that were like 12 minutes, like an intense 12-minute workout. I mean, those are going to be some of your best workouts because you're not wasting any time. You're getting in there, you're getting it done, because you got more stuff to do. It's kind of like how with kids, the research shows that kids that are involved in extracurricular activities have better grades than kids that don't do anything. It's because they know they got to get stuff done because they've got practice, they've got meets, they've got games, so they know they got to get their homework done. They got to get that schoolwork done. Because otherwise, they're not going to have a chance to get it done because they're so busy. The kids that are not doing anything, they think they've got all this time, so they put it off and they wait, and it ends up never getting done. And that is exactly how it is with workouts. You might think, let me wait till I have more time. And the amount of time that we spend talking about when we're going to work out, we could have already had the workout done. And it does not have to be perfect. Any kind of workout, any kind of movement, just get moving. That's what I want to get across today, okay? That's what I want people to understand. You do not need a 1 hour workout 5 days a week. You don't need a 1 hour workout any amount of days a week. I mean, you just need some consistency. So if you have 12 minutes that you can devote to a workout 2 or 3 times a week, then do it. Do that. And you will see the difference. I mean, look at me. Look at my video. Is it perfect? I'm driving. You're looking at me through my steering wheel. Is it perfect? No, it's not. But I need to get this information out there.